Want this edit? Prepare your chosen background music. Add your chosen K-pop fan cam video. Look for a good part to start. Trim the video here. Make sure it's not a highlight. Don't forget to mute the original audio of the fan cam video. Here's our starting point. Split the video on the first beat or bass drop. Look for a close-up shot as a highlight. Do the same thing for the other beat or bass drops. We're going to cut the video with a duration of 14-15 seconds. Here's our rough cut of the fan cam edit. At this point, let's go to Effects and look for Old Movie 1 for intro. Add a throw-in effect for the bass drop. Then add a heartbeat effect. Then look for heartbeat shake effect. Next, look for edge glow effect. Apply these effects wherever you want, as long as it looks cool and creative. To end our fan cam edit, use a warp zoom transition for the last clip. Enjoy the results.